Hey everyone, this is Blockfido. In a new video on the basics of the crypto industry, let's consider the phenomenon of NFT. Every year more and more people invest huge amounts in digital pictures, buy virtual monkeys and sneakers. But why pay hundreds of thousands and sometimes millions of dollars when you can just save a picture or take a screenshot? The famous artist Xcopy asked the same question and drew a picture called Right Click and Save as Guy. The author then made an NFT of the painting and sold it for almost $4.5 million. How is it possible? What is NFT? Can it be created itself? Will it cost millions? Let's figure this out together. Concept and mechanism of work. What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, non-replaceable token. From the name follows its main property, the inability to be exchanged for another similar object. This is not possible because each NFT is unique and cannot be evaluated objectively. For a better understanding, consider the following example. You borrowed a friend $100. You do not care if he returns this amount with $100 bill or two $50 bills or 10 $10 bills. It does not matter, because the money has a fixed value and can be easily exchanged for others of equal value. To do this with Picasso's picture will not work. Imagine that you borrowed the original of such a picture to participate in the exhibition. Will you be able to return a copy after it is done? Absolutely not. The fact is that the original copy is the result of creative work, the implementation of the idea of the artist, but reproduction, even the most qualitative, the result of mechanical work, not implying any creative efforts. In essence, an NFT is a token or cryptographic certificate confirming that you are the owner of a unique digital and not only object. This object could be anything. Why are they needed? As mentioned above, digital data is easily copied, and it is sometimes very difficult to determine the real owner. An NFT solves this problem. The information contained in it is placed in a blockchain, which automatically makes it mutable. The only way to correct owner information is to transmit NFT, which is a simple transaction. Thanks to such a mechanism, simply copying an object becomes meaningless. In other words, you can press the right button and save yourself a picture, but you can also buy a reproduction of Picasso or copy his picture at the exhibition, but you will not become the owner of the original. It should be noted separately that the author of the digital object and the owner of its NFT are different people. The author is the user who directly created the original object, and this status will not change under any circumstances. The owner is the user specified in the NFT, and this title, on the other hand, can be transferred from one user to another. Therefore, by buying NFT, you will become the owner of the digital object, but not its author. How do NFT work? They are technically smart contracts that are programmed to store data about the unique properties of an object, as well as to track information about current and previous token holders. In some cases, the author may program a smart contribution contract with each subsequent change of ownership. Application areas. Currently, the main users of NFT are gamers. This may be due to the fact that the prototype of this technology already existed in the industry. In the past decade, players bought and sold digital characters, weapons, and skins. With the advent of NFT, the protection of rights to these objects has become much more robust. In addition, the technology is applicable to such facilities as digital images, tickets, domain name, real estate property, other objects requiring proof of ownership. Given the growing popularity of NFT, it is safe to say that the list will only be added. Making your own NFT. Users can create NFT independently and without restrictions. First of all, it is necessary to choose the object for which we will create NFT, the platform on which it can be done, and the appropriate blockchain. The most popular platform to date is OpenSea. After registering on the platform and authorizing through a crypto wallet, fit both MetaMask and Trust Wallet, you need to make a few simple actions. First, click Create. Second, upload your picture. Third, come up with a name and description. Fourth, be tested for plagiarism. After a while, NFT will appear in your wallet and you will be able to dispose of it in any way possible. For example, you can send it to a friend or put it on the marketplace. It is important to bear in mind that a fee may be charged for loading non-fungible coins into the marketplace, but only if you want to trade in the future, create a token. The amount of commission varies depending on the time of day. Sale of NFT. How much will the created NFT cost and can I sell it? To answer these questions more precisely, you need to understand for which object NFT is created. The cost of an NFT created for art objects will depend on a combination of factors. NFT created for art objects will depend on the popularity of the creator. Digital objects of famous artists, designers, or other public personalities, of course, will be in great demand. If you are interested in your work in real life, then you will either have to invest in the promotion of token, which still does not guarantee the emergence of demand for it, or accept the fact that the chances of a profitable sale will be much less. Additional factors influencing the cost are the history of the creation of the object and the relevance, or high, of the theme displayed in it. Therefore, before creating tokens, it is worth carefully analyzing whether you have a high marketing potential as an author and an object as a unique work, whether it corresponds to current trends, and whether it has a good legend. The liquidity and value of objects not related to art are assessed in a different way and more correlate with the real market situation. For example, you can create a token for a luxury mansion. Obviously, the cost of such an NFT as well as the object to which it entitles will be high. But at the same time, the token's liquidity will be low as not every user can afford such a purchase. But the NFT for the car Toyota, a much more popular and affordable product on the market, although will have a lower cost, but to sell it will be much easier. Thus, creating a token collection at a bargain price will not in itself provide a high level of liquidity. The popularity and utility of objects play no less, if not more, important. All these parameters make NFT one of the most unpredictable ways to make money in the crypto industry. If this puzzle is formed, then the risk may be justified, but if not, then perhaps it is worth considering other, more stable types of earnings. To sum up, first, NFT is not the digital object itself, but a certificate confirming the ownership of such. It is hosted in a blockchain and is therefore a more reliable way to protect the rights of the owners of such tokens. Second, technically, NFT are smart contracts that store information about the unique properties of an object, its current and previous owners. Third, create NFT can be everyone without restrictions, but for placing on the marketplace, fees are charged. Fourth, the liquidity of NFT depends not only on its cost. It is equally important to take into account the real demand for the object for which you create it. Fifth, NFT as the main way of earning, extremely risky idea. Its price and demand depend on many factors that cannot be objectively assessed. If you are well versed in trends, create truly unique objects, and understand how to promote them in the market, there is really a chance of success. Thank you for watching this. We hope this video was useful for you. With love, Blockfado team.